Hi, my name is Sarah with Facial Beauty Dental, and today I'd like to talk to you about having veneers made specifically for you. Digital scans are used to design, mill, and finish all in the office. We can completely change your smile in just one day. Most veneer cases with 6 or more veneers can be scheduled on a special date and time. Veneers are attached to the front of your teeth to hide any imperfections in color, shape, and minor crowding or spacing issues. Dr. Smith made 4 veneers for me about 15 years ago, and they still look great. I had a gap between my front teeth and a slight misalignment, which was easily corrected with the veneers instead of having to go through a long treatment of orthodontics. Our veneers here, made in office, are made out of a high-strength ceramic, and they never change color or stain over time. For more information on setting up a consultation for veneers, please call us at Facial Beauty Dental today, where a beautiful smile increases your face value.